Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to add windshield washer fluid in a Honda CR-V. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This is my 2017 Honda CR-V, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it on this vehicle. But obviously you can take this information and apply it to different years of the CR-V because the information that I'm giving you is pretty much very universal. They use similar symbols and similar everything for the process for adding windshield washer fluid, whether the car is much older or even newer than this. So what you want to do is you want to pop open the hood of the vehicle and look in the engine bay for something that looks like this. Now, most likely it's going to be blue. Sometimes it might be a different color depending on where you live and what model you're working with. But you're going to look for a symbol that represents the windshield washer, okay? You can see right there, I'll zoom in. And you can see that that's the symbol that shows it's spraying the windshield. So that's your windshield washer fluid port, basically. And what you want to do is you want to pop open the lid, okay, just like that. And sometimes there's going to be a long stem that goes in there that you have to sort of pull the lid right off. But in this one, I can just pop it open and sort of leave it open like that. I like to tuck it away just like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our windshield washer fluid and we're going to pour it into this little reservoir over here. Now, make sure you're using the right type of windshield washer fluid. This is the one that I have. And when you pour it in, you can go and fill it until you start seeing the windshield washer fluid sort of come up to there. You don't want to go all the way to the top because then it might overflow and you might have some expansion, which will cause it to pop off the cap or overflow in the future. But you can go up until you start seeing the windshield washer fluid sort of appear on that zone right there. So I'm just going to open this up. And I don't know if there will be enough to fill it up, but I'm going to show it like all the way to the top, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So I've removed the lid from the fluid canister, and what you want to do is pour it into that port. And if you're dealing with a full container of windshield washer fluid, you might spill it everywhere. So you might want to use a funnel or just be extremely careful and work extremely efficiently. But I have like only a little bit left in this. It's like maybe a third of it left, so I shouldn't spill any of it. So, oh yeah, I spilled a bit, but it's okay. So as you can see, I'm just pouring it into that port right over there, nice and slowly. You don't want to go too fast because if you go too fast it might splash out. And I'm keeping an eye to make sure it's not going to be filled to the top. Okay, so as you can see right there, that's basically where I want to stop. You can see right there, and I have a little bit left, but I'm not going to pour this in because I don't want to go all the way to the brim because like I said, you might have expansion and that could cause you to overflow. So I'm going to put the cap back on the windshield washer fluid and I'll probably refill it again in a few days when I've used a little bit more. That's it. Like I said, go up to that point, at the highest, and you can stop earlier if you want, but go up to that point at the highest, take your cap, pop it back on, and make sure you know that it's popped on properly. As you can hear right there, I heard the snap, and I can see that it's completely popped on there, so I'm good. And that's it. You can obviously put your windshield washer fluid, if it's an empty canister, you can recycle it, or you can put it away to use at a later date like I'm going to do. Refill it later. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a, sorry about that, actually, before I finish, obviously you close your hood at this point. I know it's pretty straightforward, but I figured I'd say it anyways. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.